Hey guys, how you're doing? I hope you're doing great. Today I'm back again with another video about character design. This time we're going to talk about color and how to actually color our characters. I'll also show you how I usually do it, so let's get started. After you finish designing your character, which by the way I've already made a couple of videos about character design, so you can check those out please. Once the design is done, the next step is thinking about coloring. Personally, I like to start with shading first. Adding shadows is really important because it makes the character look more realistic and appealing. What I usually do is, as you can see, I pick a gray color and imagine a light source shining on the character from one side. That means on the other side, shadows will form. Then I simply use that gray color and paint in the areas where I feel shadows should be. After that, I turn off the shadow layer for later, and then I just pick whatever color I like to start coloring the character. I usually don't pre-select my colors in advance. Instead, I like to pick them as I go, choosing happy and vibrant tones that look good together. This whole coloring process is fun, creative, and honestly gives me a really good feeling. So I take my time with it. Once the base colors are done, I turn the shadow layer back on so you can see the big difference it makes, adding depth, light, and more appeal to the character. Finally, I set the shadow layer to multiply mode. You can do that here from the blending mode. Finally, I create another lighter, brighter layer and paint certain areas to represent the highlights where the light is hitting. These highlights make the character look more dynamic and beautiful. And if you're coloring in Photoshop, don't worry if your colors don't look perfect. You can easily fix them later. Just go to Image, Adjustments, Hue and Saturation, or Color Balance, and tweak the colors until they look just right. So that's it, we've colored our character. I hope you enjoyed it and liked how it turned. I for myself like it, so don't forget to subscribe please, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!